Tell him stop.
Stop.
Hold on. Welcome back to another episode of We Rebuildz. Hey, today it's kind of really, I'm really excited right now. So we finally have the 2018 Audi S5 coming into town. As y'all can see, I have this big space right here. For those who was watching the live a couple of days ago, you all could see that I did get the 2018 Audi A5 out of here. A gentleman had bought it. Him and his daughter came. Pretty cool people. They came and just we kind of did some sketchy stuff to get that car out of that trailer. Let's say that, you know, it's my first time doing something that's sketchy, and I was honestly, you know, kind of worried, kind of scared at the same time. But we got it done. Nothing bad happened, and I'm happy for that. Now we got a new leaf to turn. So what I need to do, my garage is still all over the place. So what I'm thinking for now is, because I really don't want the car to stay outside, so what I'm just gonna do is move everything that I have here and push it to this wall. And then once I get that done, then later on, or say whenever I get some time on the weekend, then I could really maybe dial some things back and then, you know, work on certain stuff on the S5. So I'm really happy for that today. Anyways, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hey, y'all, you guys already know we have always been doing great videos. I thank y'all for the support. I thank y'all really much for this journey that y'all came on with me. As y'all could see, to rebuild this car was a crazy idea. I would say if I could do it all over again, I probably wouldn't buy this car, but the journey and the drive to get it done was very stressful. But we finally got it to where it's at right now, and I'm really, really happy about that. So don't forget, make sure you hit the subscribe button for that. Anyways, what I'm gonna do right now, as y'all see me looking around, it's just stuff everywhere. So what I'm gonna do is just push these things across the room, see what we could put, and try to get some stuff out of the way so nothing is in the walkway. So anyways, let me stop talking. Let's hop straight into that right now, and then probably do a video while the car is coming off the truck. I maybe walk out there because, you know, I didn't call any of my friends, and plus wife is in there sleeping with the kids, so and we ain't gonna worry. I'm not gonna wake them up to, you know, take me out there. So I just walk out there. It's probably like maybe 5-6 minute walk down the road, because he can't come in this residential zone because the truck is too big. I think he's taking about, what, 10 cars at the same time, or 10 to 12. I can't remember I don't know how much exactly that transporter holds. But anyways, let me stop talking. Let's do some quick cleaning, and then we go pick up this S5. Let's go. Alright, so y'all could see, I just kind of moved some stuff around just to make enough space. Everything I basically pushed on this side, so we have a whole bunch of stuff over on that side. Once I get everything situated, I'm gonna just start cleaning up, and then, you know, we start working on all this Ford parts and all of that, so we could take pictures and get them posted. But the truck driver said he should be here in like 15 minutes, so I'm gonna go see if I could meet with him. I'm gonna bring y'all out there, and we're gonna take our time to drive it back. It should be like, because he can't come to residential area, so down the street or whatever, and then we'll go from there. So I'll see you when I get to that Audi. Let's go. So as y'all see, just got the S5. Hey, I'm happy that it's here. They ended up putting some kids' toys in the car, so we got it. See all these cars that they just transported. Looks like I'm the first one. So we finally got it. Headlights are working and everything. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to take it home and we're gonna put it in the garage, leave it in there, and then whenever we get a good day, we're gonna make sure we could do the rest of the stuff to it. So right now I'm gonna just hop in and take it home. So let's do it. So we got, you see all these stuff, still got some gas in it, a lot of gas in it as a matter of fact. So this is probably gonna be like our little official test drive. So we'll see how it's gonna go. Put it in drive. There's a car behind me, so let me put it in reverse. Let's see. Alright, so now we're gonna put it in drive and I'm gonna take it home. I'm not gonna go too hard on the gas pedal because this oil is not even warmed up yet, and you know we have a whole bunch of stuff inside of the car. So tell me, please turn headlight on. Headlights on auto. Headlights right. You see how this? You see how the car is going straight? So you definitely know this car needs to get an alignment. But yeah, this is our official test drive. Our indicators are working. Yeah, so I mean, it's going on good. So still got a whole bunch of calls, but I mean that's fairly good. Really don't matter to me about all of that. So see if I could put it in my garage frontwards. So we're gonna get it inside of the garage. Let me open up the garage right now. Alright, got the garage door open. So our garage door is opening up. Take our time. It's a good thing to clean some of these parts and get it out the way. Alright, so I just noticed one thing already. If y'all could see, there's a crack in the windshield, and y'all know we didn't leave no crack in the windshield in North Carolina. So I'm gonna close up the garage and then call it a night. Alright, so we have it inside of the garage. So you remember how I was talking? So this is the little spot that I was saying how the sunroof is raised. So I don't know if, but it looks like the rubber is not seating properly inside. Alright, so I'm not gonna stay too long because I gotta go to sleep. But yeah, there is a crack right there. So I don't know if something hit it or what. So we're just gonna have to figure out that issue right now. So they said I got 24 hours to make the claim. So we'll see how that goes. What I might do, I think I might just try to take out some of these stuff because I really don't want nothing to damage the bumper. So let me do that and call it a night. Yeah, I made sure to take out some of the things.
you know, I end up having a whole bunch of tools out there as well. So I need to pack these up in my toolbox as well. And we'll try to get this bumper out of here because I really don't want it to be bent. So give me a second. We'll put y'all back on another time lapse while I slowly try to figure out how to get this bumper out and then put it on some stands so it doesn't get messed up. Alright, so we've got everything. This is the one of the other badges I was saying. So I could just take this piece off and then just basically get the other black piece on and then just put it right here on the car. But I need to get some 3M tape as well, and we put those on. So because as I said, it's the black package and each of these emblems, but I think I have two sides for here. The driver side is what I think I need, because this one that I have laying down over here, yeah, as you can see, yeah, it is the driver side. So the driver side is the one that I need, and I think I have two passenger sides. So we're gonna figure out that later. Man, it's kind of bummer that the windshield is cracked. Yeah, it is one of those things, you know.
Bummed out about it, honestly. I'm just happy to have it in the garage. It took a week to get here, so they said make sure I make a claim within 24 hours. So I think that's the only thing that I've seen on it. Apart from that, that is it, honestly. So all we're gonna do is, hey, what we're gonna do, as I said, thank y'all for watching. I'm happy it's here. Now the next thing is start putting this beast back together. Once we put this car back together, then we're gonna shuffle through almost all of these stuff, because I know my in-laws, they kind of threw a whole bunch of stuff inside of the car. So we have a whole bunch of tools laying around. We have a whole bunch of everything laying around. So anyways, y'all got to see this video of me taking delivery of the 2018 Audi S5. It's finally here. Now we have to start like doing the tight wire work, button up everything good, and we get everything done nice and tight, and then that's it for us. I mean, we're moving now. We're moving. So thank y'all for watching. Anyways, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, and even your enemy, because remember, more haters are our biggest motivators. But y'all know we gotta keep moving, okay? So windshield is one thing, okay? That is it. We ain't worried about that no more. Next thing, we need to start seeing whatever parts that we have, whatever parts we're gonna use. We're gonna start putting these parts on. So we have this to look ahead for. I do remember I told you guys we need to get rid of that Ford Escape, so that is next on the list. The Ford Escape need to get out of here. Once that car get out of here, then we're gonna take full motivation to this car, and we're gonna sort out all the little things, see what else we could do. I think I maybe try to see if I could rewrap the roof black or something. I don't know. But I kind of like the roof like this. So, but anyways, hey, stay positive, stay motivated, and guess what? We are out.